Today, I want to provide guidance on how to use DhubSME.com to record your expenses. So I'll be using this phone of mine. It is a Samsung phone, but this process will work across all devices that you may have, be it an Infinix phone, a Techno, or just any device. To start, you type DhubSME.com in your favorite browser. This is how the homepage will appear. And then you just click sign in at the top right corner, and then sign in with Google. Select the account you want to sign in with. So for me, I'll select the the one that I've been using to test the various features of DhubSME.com. And then if you have not yet registered or set up your account, this is where you'll get a prompt to provide your country and the currency that you'll be using in your receipts or invoices. So just provide that, and then when you provide the details, we will redirect you to the point of sale section. We are focused on expenses at this particular point. So tap on the hamburger menu and then select expenses. So for this particular period, we have not recorded any expenses. So we'll go ahead and create our first expense. You will get this menu when you tap on Create Expense. This is basically the information that we want regarding the expense that you want to record. So the first one is the type of expense. So you just tap on it, and then we have various categories of the expense that you want to record. So just select the appropriate category. For me, I want it to be the staff costs. So the salaries, wages, uniforms, allowances, and training. So the expense that goes towards the staff. So just tap on it, and then it's already recorded. Then we go to the next one is what was this expense for? So I can say that it is the salary for the month of August. Let's go with August. And then how much did you spend? How much did you spend? How much are you spending on this particular expense? I can say maybe 10,000. So when did this expense occur? So you can select any debt, but you cannot select a debt that has not yet happened or occurred, something like that. You can only select a debt that is in the past. So we can work with 1st September 2025, 8:39 or 8:30. So that is the time that I paid or I incurred that particular expense. How was this expense settled? This is where you provide the payment method that you used to incur that particular expense. For now, I just want to say it was on credit. When you select credit, this is what that means. It means that you did not incur that expense. You're just recording the obligation to incur that expense in future. For example, let's say I'm required to pay my employees by 1st, and that time has arrived and I do not have enough resources to pay them at that particular time. I can record the expense but declare it as a debt. It's like they're lending me that money, and when I get it, I'll pay it back. And it's very important for you to record it here because it shows how much your business owes other people. Who do you owe money to? In this particular case, it's an optional field, but I'll fill in the name of one of our employees, Patrick. Let's say it's Patrick, because this is not an expense, but an acknowledgement that the business owes Patrick some money. We do not have the proof of incurring this particular expense. Maybe you have something that shows that Patrick actually worked for you for the month of August. You can upload that. But for my case, I do not have that. So I'll just hit record expense for now. And just like that, we have recorded our first expense of the month.